In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Outlook. We'll walk through the process in a clear, simple way so you can create a brand new calendar, connect one you already use elsewhere, or import events from a file. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. Click through to the official Microsoft Outlook site and sign in to your account. If you use Outlook for work or school, sign in with those credentials. If it's a personal account, use your personal Microsoft login. Once you're in, you'll land in Outlook on the web. Look to the left navigation pane and select the calendar icon. If you're currently in Mail, this icon switches your view over to your calendar. On the left side, beneath the small monthly calendar, find and click Add Calendar. This is the hub where you choose how you want your new calendar to be created or connected. If you want a fresh start, choose Create Blank Calendar. Give the calendar a clear name, like Travel or Family, pick a color that stands out, and click Save. This is great for keeping categories separate, and the color helps you spot those events at a glance. Your new calendar will appear alongside your others, and you can toggle it on or off as needed to reduce clutter. If you already have a calendar somewhere else and want it to stay up to date in Outlook, choose Subscribe from Web. Paste the iCal URL provided by that service, such as a calendar link from a different provider. When you subscribe, Outlook pulls in events and continues to update them automatically on a schedule. This is ideal for calendars that change frequently, like team schedules or public event feeds. Make sure the URL you paste is the correct subscription link from the source so it can refresh properly. If you've been sent a one-time calendar file, choose Upload from File. Select the EES file from your computer and import it. This creates a snapshot of those events at that moment in time. It won't sync changes later, which makes it perfect for things like a conference agenda or a semester schedule that won't be updated often. You can import into a new calendar for easy separation, or place the events into an existing calendar if you prefer everything in one place. That's it. Whether you're starting fresh, subscribing to a live feed, or importing a single file, you now know the best option for each situation and how to add it in Outlook confidently.